If you're looking for the best shampoos for damaged hair, here's a list you must see. We made this list based on our personal preference and sorted it based on their features, prices, quality, durability, and reputation of the manufacturers and customer feedback. Also, we've included options for every type of customer. So let's get started. At the first position of our list, we have Redken Extreme Shampoo. The Redken Extreme Shampoo is loaded with proteins and other essential nutrients to nourish distressed hair. It improves hair health, reduces breakage, and split ends. The shampoo contains arginine that conditions the scalp and sebacab to strengthen the hair roots and prevent hair fall. The soy protein in the formula locks in moisture and boosts hair volume, while ceramides restore natural shine and prevent breakage. This product also contains an RCT protein complex to keep the hair hydrated and moisturized, preventing it from turning brittle. The shampoo claims to reduce breakage up to 75% with regular use and keep the hair soft, smooth, and detangled. Moving on to the next at number 2, Nexxus Keraphix Shampoo. The Nexxus Keraphix Shampoo helps improve hair resilience. It contains protein and fusion complex and keratin that deeply condition, nourish, and strengthen damaged hair. The black rice extract helps minimize breakage. This shampoo hydrates and softens the hair strands and minimizes frizz to make them appear voluminous and healthy. The number 3 position is held by L'Oreal Paris Elvive Dream Lengths Restoring Shampoo. The L'Oreal Paris Elvive Dream Lengths Restoring Shampoo has a creamy formula that thoroughly cleanses and freshens the hair. It contains vitamins B3 and B5 to strengthen the hair and reduce split ends, and castor oil that fortifies the scalp and hair to nourish them without weighing your hair down. This shampoo moisturizes the hair and protects it from heat damage up to 450 degrees. It has a refreshing candy-like fragrance with notes of pomegranate, milk sorbet, and caramel orchid. Next at number 4, we have ApHogee Extra Strength Damage Remedy Shampoo. The ApHogee Extra Strength Damage Remedy Shampoo smoothens and strengthens even coarse hair. It contains a blend of coconut oil, the essence of thyme, and vanilla bean extract to provide intense hydration to revive and repair damaged hair strands. This shampoo is ideal for taming frizz and flyaways as it helps soften your hair while adding shine and bounce. It has a refreshing fragrance, a blend of coconut, white peach, and shea butter scents that leaves your hair smelling irresistibly good after every wash. The number 5 position is held by SheaMoisture Moisture Retention Shampoo. The Moisture Retention Shampoo by SheaMoisture fortifies and repairs damaged hair. It contains shea butter to condition the hair and scalp, argan oil to restore shine and improve hair elasticity, and mineral-rich sea kelp to nourish and smoothen the hair. This organic shampoo provides intense hydration and improves luster and hair strength. It is best for type 3 and 4, damaged, transitioning, and natural hair. The number 6 position is dominated by Puriology Strength Cure Shampoo. The Puriology Strength Cure Shampoo is best for highlighted and blonde hair. It is infused with a patented anti-fade complex to protect the color vibrancy and ensure better color payoff. The Carafix and astaxanthin in the formula strengthen the hair and improves its resilience to withstand damages. It also contains sunflower seed extract, UV filters, and vitamin E to nourish the hair and ensure a lasting shine. This product contains plant-based nutrients, is free from any artificial preservatives. Moving on to the next at number 7 with Living Proof Restore Shampoo. The Living Proof Restore Shampoo is a therapeutic, conditioning leave-in treatment that transforms dry and damaged hair. It is formulated with healthy hair molecule that conditions the hair and mild amino acids that gently cleanse without drying. These 2 ingredients work together to restore and repair damaged cuticles and repel dirt and oil to keep the hair cleaner for a long period. The number 8 position is held by ApHogee Shampoo for damaged hair. This shampoo by ApHogee is an everyday color-safe product for damaged hair. It is infused with hydrolyzed vegetable, wheat, and soy proteins, emollients, and essential vitamins that restore scalp and hair health, improve shine, and hydrate, and protect the fragile hair strands. The shampoo gently cleanses permed, relaxed, and colored hair without drying. It also protects the hair from UV damage to ensure it feels soft, silky, and healthy. Next at number 9, we have Virtue Recovery Shampoo. The Virtue Recovery Shampoo is a high-power hair treatment that improves hair texture, softness, and overall health. It contains alpha-keratin that binds to the damaged hair, filling the cracks to strengthen, stabilize, and soften the hair. The hydrolyzed quinoa in the formula enhances color, retains moisture, and restores shine, while the baobab seed oil hydrates the hair. The shampoo also contains antioxidant-rich grapefruit extract to improve hair vibrancy. It helps reverse damage caused by heat styling, color, and chemical treatment. Finally, the number 10 position is dominated by Matrix Total Results the Rebond Shampoo. The Matrix Total Results the Rebond Shampoo cleanses product buildup and primes the hair for deep repair. It is formulated with citric acid that helps remove product buildup from the scalp and leaves you with soft, silky, and strengthened hair. This shampoo improves hair manageability and revitalizes it. It is a part of the 3-step routine, including a pre-conditioner and rebond conditioner to fortify weak, brittle, and damaged hair. That's all for today. We upload beauty product review videos every single day, so don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for the upcoming video notification.